She's a warm-hearted person who is a one-chat or call away whenever you need her. She's also a resilient girl, wherein she still managed to smile and be happy despite of the difficulties that she's going through. Parang tutok, girl. Anay. So fast forward, nabaroan ko na may Dania jowa na itago natin sa pangalang Ben. To be honest, at first, I have suspicions. Nga bangin lorong lagyap niya taksangkay. Nangangatok ako. Sorry. But thank God, because I was wrong. So when she finally said that they're getting married, I was really happy that she finally